Ow! Ow! Oh my gosh! Ah, stop. Ow! Your brother Kiki. Oh my gosh. That was really close. You're gonna see all my under eye bags. Stop.
You're gonna see your what?
My under eye bags. Stop.
Your under eye bags.
Yes, I don't tickle Kiki. I'm a college kid. Stop. I'm gonna get whiplash or a neck cramp. Stop.
You get whiplash? Really? That's a little excessive.
Ah! 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 Oh, my neck. Ah! Your nails. Like,
So how was the trip so far?
I was fine.
I slept 10 hours.
Isaac slept the whole trip, the whole 10-hour car ride.
You drove, right?
Yes, I did.
How many hours?
1.
2 hours and like 45 minutes.
Can I sit
So about 3 hours?
I get to sit in the front now, finally.
No.
No, we don't want you in the front.
because I need to guide Dad.
No, you can get it from the back.
No, I can't.
No, she can't guide from the back. She can't see the signs.
Mom can't guide from the back. She just puts her input, tells us to turn left when we need to turn right.
Yes, she does like last night. She does like last night. Turn left. Turn left. But Mom, we're supposed to go right. The GPS said right. Turn left. I think turn left.
My gosh.
So, did you text Maria last night?
No.
You were supposed to text
She
her.
was asleep.
Oh, you were too busy
And then
watching
she
the basketball
expected me to
game?
be awake at 12.
She was awake at
texted me
12?
later at 12, yeah.
How do you know she texted you at 12? You
'Cause
saw it
that's when
this
I got
morning,
the
or did you
text
see it last night and ignore it?
No, because my phone was charging over there. I couldn't see it.
Over where?
At the-
Point again, point again.
Star-crossed lovers, separated by such a large distance.
This would be a good time to put the music.
Oh, that is mom done yet?
Yeah, she's flushed.
Ah, God! I got a part on you.
No cameras, please, no cameras.
I could just stand outside the bathroom door, wait for mommy to come out.
Oh, my cat.
Mommy's going, what?
He's pretending to be Cicera.
Let's look outside at the people working. They're working literally outside my window. Look at that. And he's still throwing things outside to the dumpster that's next to that parked car. Look, that's the second time he missed. That one landed close to the car. That's why I moved my car. I don't want him to see me. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Throwing stuff across the...
That's my cat.
You miss your cat? Your cat misses you.
I know he does.
What's my juice that I get, Isaac?
Say hello to the camera, dear. Say hello. You're going to be on YouTube. You have to say hello. Say hello to the YouTube community.
Hello.
We have very little, very small community. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Say, go ahead. Say subscribe.
Like, share,
Say subscribe.
Get it on trending.
Wait, say that again. Say it again.
Like, share, comment, get it on trending.
I like the way you said it before. Now
I know, but now I can't do it. It was a one-time shot.
You heard the lady. Subscribe.
I said like, comment, and get it on trending. I didn't say
Okay,
subscribe.
sorry. Like, comment, get it on trending. I asked for subscribe. We need 1,000 subscribers so YouTube could give us other features. They're so cheap.
Stop talking. They may demonetize this video. They may not like it.
They do that to all my videos. And I put it on, and the first day I put it on, oh, demonetized because it may not be appropriate. And then I asked them to review it. 3 days later, oh sure, no problem. We'll put monetization back on.
Just take a road trip to LA, storm the headquarters.
Wait, don't say that. Then they shut us down.
Ow!
Alright, I'm ready.
Daddy.
See, there's no way to monetize this video. Is it like what can they advertise? This hotel. We're at what hotel we're at?
Hampton Inn.
The Hampton Inn in Virginia. That's being remodeled. That has people just outside our window. Look, I'll show it to you again. Look. Look. They're working. See that dumpster? They're throwing stuff across.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
Now
go.
you're in a rush.
Now you're in a rush.
We have to go face the frozen tundra
Is your cream open?
of 27 degrees. No, it's
What
not
are
open.
you
Stop touching
doing?
my stuff. I don't
Chunky
have
cheek.
chubby cheeks anymore.
Chunky cheek.
You have more
No,
chubby
he's
cheeks.
he's checking the moisture in your cheeks.
Please don't take the moisture in my cheeks. My skin is stuck up. Please.
Check
Yes.
your chargers. Let's go, please.
All right, we gotta go. See you, YouTube.
Oh, my back.
Say goodbye to YouTube, people.
Ah.
Say bye, son.
Ah.
That's not a bye.